Well, snow's good for a couple of things. Extra lighting and makes me a little bit higher here. Right on. I'll show you the signal there. I forget, what does that mean, that flashing thing, that light, is it diversion or something? I forget what that means. But there's also a yellow signal going the other way, so that's encouraging. It'd be great if that was a freight. I think it is. Daddy needs a freight. Oh man, some major blowing snow right now. Yeah, she's a freight. Oh my god, my fingers are frozen. I hope this thing's not too long actually. Frankly. Oh! Damn, what the hell? Oh wow, long hood forward, cool. No way, don't see that too often. Ah, right on. Sweet. That's great timing. I hadn't even been here too long too. Oh, talk up that Jeep. Is it a Jeep? Not sure. Back it up. Right on, old EMD. Woohoo! Bit of local transfer, I guess, eh? Right on. Or is he maybe going to back up on the other track? Oh, could be. Glad I got this. I was a little disappointed in my day. I wish I would have gotten more, I don't know, just more footage in the snowstorm, but it was so freezing cold today. It just didn't seem very possible. Just too goddamn cold, and with the wind it made it even worse. I mean, right now my fingers are frozen. I've only been outside 20 minutes or so. Whoa, look at old Northern Burlington, or Burlington Northern, excuse me. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah, I'm wondering if he's going to switch tracks and come back. Those of you guys don't know this area, but there's a major freight yard down there, eh? So it could be. Oh. Or maybe not. There you go. Short and sweet. Warm up my fingers. Look at that blowing snow, man.